so slow. In the garden secret stars to flow. Vines entwine like tales left untold. Mystery breathes where the roses grow. Stars above they wink and cast their spells. Moonlight paints the ground where silence dwells. Hidden paths that no one seems to find. In life's garden mysteries unwind. All the leaves they dance with hidden lore. Every petal guards a secret door. In the garden of life shadows play. Mystery unfolds at break of day. Butterflies they weave in cryptic flight. Silent riddles in the dead of night. Nature hums a tune without a sound. Clues to puzzles scatter all around. Steps I take are whispers in the breeze. Unseen eyes that never seem to freeze. Garden's heartbeats with an ancient song. Mysteries linger, paths are long. All the leaves they dance with hidden lore. Every petal guards a secret door. In the garden of life shadows play. Mystery unfolds at break of day. Raindrops fall like tears from heaven's face. Each one with a story to embrace. Life spreads out in reeds and golden hues. Hidden answers in the morning dews. All the leaves they dance with hidden lore. Every petal guards a secret door. In the garden of life shadows play. Mystery unfolds at break of day. Mystery unfolds at break of day. Of day.